Hi friends, welcome to Testing Tutorials Point. This is Lokesh and today we are going to discussing about how to use assertions in JMeter. See, assertions means we are going to verifying the responses. Responses means you can say like AP testing when you running, we are going to do for some testing for 200 status and 201 status, right? The same way we are going to verifying assertions using in JMeter to verifying to check that response whether it is correct or not. Okay, in this case also we can able to check it, and we are going to check for the few of things. These are the six commonly used our performance testing time while you are using JMeter. Most commonly used assertions are these all the six. Okay, one by one we'll see how we can able to implement in these responses and duration time, size, HTML assertion, XML assertion, XPATH assertion. Okay. Now come to here, and my previous video I show you that how to create your first uh, test case in JMeter. Please go through that in the same only. I'm adding for these assertions. Okay, just I'm here doing like first one, right click into a thread group and here coming for assertion. Here most common used one response assertion. Okay, once you see this response assertion, there are some apply conditions are presented. We can able to use main sample and subsample, main sample only and subsample and JMeter variable to use. Okay, and we can able to verify the text response, which is a text it is coming, that response we can able to validate, and response code we can able to verify, and response message, response headers and request headers, a URL sample, document text, ignore status. These are all the things we can able to verify. And this scenario, we are going to verify response code. Okay, and here pattern matching also we can able to do it. In here contains matching equals a substring and not or equal. Any one condition we can able to take. I'm taking for equal condition. Okay, and here main parameter, which one we are verifying. If we are using the response text response, that we have to copy paste here to verifying that. And response code means just we need to click for add, and then we need to provide 200. Basically it will give 200, right? In that 200 verification purpose we are going to verifying that. And come to thread group and can just run it. Once you run, you can able to see the tree table also. It will hit one by one, and after that you can able to see. Now all the places 200 is coming and it is passed. There is no issue. But in case if you change 201, okay, my response code I'm verifying for 201. I just am clearing that old code logs and again come to tree, and now you can able to see there is an error is occurred. We are receiving 200 but we are comparing that 201, then by default it will fail, correct, and it will fail for that particular situation. All the places you can able to see, correct, all the places 200, because all the places response assertion it is coming. Okay, you just can change to 200 only because we need to verify some more things. And next one is duration assertion. Duration assertion, if you click for any of these table, there is a sample duration is presented milliseconds. Is a most of the time 1844 is present, but most of the time it is 834, correct. Now I'm going to hit for this 850. Okay, I'm just right click here and duration assertion. You can able to see duration assertion here, and you can able to specify 850. Okay, minimum run condition is 850. I'm going to clear the logs and running. Now come to view tree, and here you can able to see most of the time it is passing. Now it is filling one place duration assertion because it is taking 1022 milliseconds, but we are expecting 850 milliseconds. Due to that, this duration fails. Okay, like this we can able to verify our duration into a particular response also. Okay, and third one is size. How we can able to verify means the table format again. This is the byte format is presented, correct? Here minimum size is 12 11 11 5 115 12 115 is presented. In this maximum size is presented. In these bytes we are going to providing to the this size tag. You can able to come to here assertion again and size form assertion, and we need to specify here 12115, and I'm going to use equal only. Okay, and here what will happen, and duration also normal way we can able to use these apply conditions, but same thing say here also in the size assertion also apply conditions are presented, and we can able to response validation full response or a response header, response body, response code, and response message. What we are going to verifying that we can able to specify here. Okay, and equal condition we can able to mention, and not equal to this all the type of comparisons we can able to use it. Okay, just I'm going to remove this one, and again I'm running. We can able to see some assertions. Now failure condition size assertion, here we are trying for 12, alright, but it should be equal to 12 1 11 11 5 because it is a less than. Like this we can able to verify assertions, and we can able to specify response message, or we can able to specify greater than or equal to. Now again one more time we will clear and this one, and we can able to see greater than or equal to also we can able to mention, and come to here you can able to see we are verifying again assertion is failed, correct? And if you want to pass we can able to use specific which is the one you want, that you can able to verify using our assertions. Is a greater than, and again greater than, one is pass, and remaining it is greater than the size. Due to that it is failing, and we can able to specify properly like 13. Okay, and below less than we can able to specify, we can able to run it. Okay, and next one is html assertion and xml assertion. These two we can able to see now, and right click here and assertion, and you can come to here HTML assertion. HTML assertion is basically to verifying that format of HTML, which is a web application is presented, that is correct format is presented or not. We can able to make it for XHTML and XML. Also, we can able to verify that format. If you mention that errors, we can able to store that errors and how many thread groups and thread warnings are presented. If you are specifying that numbers, it will show you that, and up to that it will remove and it will add it. Okay, and this one is basically to provide that file, what are the errors you created, that errors whether it is presented or not, and those things we are going to verifying to that particular page. You can able to see now report text file is there, and I'm choosing this one. And once you run this one, okay, because I forgot to clear the logs. Now I clear the logs, and I'm just running. You can able to come here HTML assertion, because it is failed because of that assertion is not properly configured. That means that entire format is not properly presented. You can just come to here and you can able to see, you can overlap and take the print for this, and you can able to see the warning lights are presented. Due to this also it is not working properly, means the format of that HTML is not properly presented. Okay, and we can able to choose for assertion and XML assertion. This XML also it is basically a format, it is checking format only, not much here. We can able to verify the format of that particular page, whether it is able to doing or not. We are going to check there also. We can able to see XML assertion will be display here. This line of the code it is not properly presented. Due to that also it's that we can able to inform that this XML assertions it's not properly configured, like that we can able to inform onto the development team. And final one is basically final one, there is XPATH Assertion. This is I'll go and I'll explain you later video, because this is while I'm going to explain you that uh, 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 API testing using for JMeter. That moment I will explain you this XPATH Assertion, because it will take more time, and also I can able to show you examples while I'm explaining that particular API JMeter concept. And moreover we are using this XPATH session while you are doing for API automation. That entire things I will explain you properly, and you can able to go through that in next video sessions. Okay, that's all about this video. I hope you understand these assertions, and if you like this video please like my video and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.